Dude, I do it at every single piece. I'd say long form. Short form, you don't really have time to do it, but in long form. And I think the profile is kind of like your way of saying who you are. So if people click the thing in a short, they click the thing, or say they watch it, they think it's good, they click over to your profile. That gives you a little bit of the bio of who I am, and then you can kind of watch everything else if you think about a user journey or a click journey. Within a long form piece of content, you're gonna introduce yourself within the first 30 seconds or so. And your introduction should be like, I would say, memorize it and get it tight. Get very tight, and ideally, if it's education, try and relate your history to credibility that is related to the subject matter. So like, if I'm making a sales video, I'm going to talk about my experience selling. If I'm making a marketing video, I'm going to explain about my experience running paid ads. If I'm talking about making content, I'm going to talk about my audience following. So each of those kind of show you different sides of me, but it's still going to be related to the core subject. So you can kind of like check two boxes with one step, which is like, I'm going to introduce myself and give credibility related to the topic at the same time. But yes. And I don't, to your point of like, the point is to be repetitive, avoid being repetitive all the time. I actually don't think I don't think you really have any fear around telling people who you are. It just, I wouldn't give a 2-minute life story every video. I would say make it like 10 seconds, maybe.